So this is kind of like what the V-berth looks like and the bathroom looks like before we do any cleaning. And you can see that there's gummies on the doors and everything. The aft cabin here, there's lots of rot. Things have to be replaced. But then we go over the other side now. You see that we're getting tidied up in here. We got the fridge and the freezer both working, and the stove. We're missing some cushions, but nevertheless we're good. See, the galley looks kind of nice, almost the way it's supposed to. And then we've got the before right here, showing all this mess. And again, the aft cabin's in rough shape, but not quite as bad as the other one. There wasn't as much water here. And now if we go into this room, this is the after. Look at the shine on the seats there, the cushions, and there's the crew hard at work. You see them getting right down to the nitty gritty in there. Duck down and say hi, Lena.
Hi, Lena.
Ha ha ha. Anyway, so this is the show. Now look at the head. Look at this. This is just beautiful. Doesn't that look great? And open up the door. That almost looks like it should. Little view out the window. The mirror. Hi there, hi there. So there you go. That's what it looks like.
86.
Before and after. Shiny, clean.